We all know sitting is the new smoking. But do you really understand the extent of the damage? Imagine this. You're working hard at your desk, striving for success. But what if I told you that this very routine, this daily grind, could be silently shaving years off your life? Today, we're diving deep into the hidden dangers of excessive sitting and uncovering practical strategies to reclaim your health, even if your job keeps you glued to your chair. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to break free from the chains of your chair and reclaim your health without sacrificing productivity. Welcome to Mima Health, where we bring trusted health insights to empower your life. As a doctor, I've seen the silent havoc prolonged sitting can wreak on our bodies. This isn't just about aesthetics. We're talking about a silent epidemic that's impacting millions worldwide, leading to chronic illnesses, reduced lifespan, and a significant decline in overall quality of life. But fear not. This isn't a doom and gloom message. I'm here to equip you with actionable steps to break free from the sedentary trap and thrive, even in today's demanding work environment. Let's start with some hard truths. Studies show that the average office worker spends about 10 hours a day sitting. That's nearly half of your entire day. And the consequences? They're far worse than just a sore back. Increased risk of heart disease by 147%. Higher chances of developing type 2 diabetes by 112%. A 49% greater risk of premature death, even if you exercise regularly. Prolonged sitting triggers a cascade of negative effects within our bodies. Our muscles weaken, our metabolism slows down, and our risk of developing serious health conditions skyrockets. It's like slowly suffocating your body, 1 hour at a time. It's not just your heart. Sitting for long periods slows down your metabolism, leading to weight gain, higher blood sugar levels, and weaker muscles. It even affects your mental health, increasing feelings of anxiety and depression. Imagine working so hard, only to let your health slip away unnoticed. But here's the good news. You don't have to become a gym rat or completely overhaul your lifestyle to combat this. I'm about to share simple, yet incredibly effective strategies that you can easily integrate into your workday, even if you're strapped for time. You might wonder, why is sitting such a problem? Isn't it just resting? Not exactly. Our bodies are designed for movement. When we sit for long hours, our blood circulation slows down, our muscles become inactive, and our calorie burning drops to almost nothing. Even your spine takes a hit. Poor posture while sitting compresses your discs, leading to chronic back pain and even herniated discs over time. And let's not forget tech neck, that annoying ache in your neck and shoulders from staring at screens. But wait, there's more. I'm about to reveal a surprising secret weapon that can significantly boost your health while you work, and it might just surprise you. Alright, now let's talk solutions. The key is to incorporate micromovements into your day. Here are some practical tips that I personally recommend to my patients. The 30-minute rule. Set a timer every 30 minutes. When it goes off, stand up, stretch, and walk around for at least 2 to 3 minutes. It's simple but incredibly effective. Stretch at your desk. Try these quick stretches. Roll your shoulders, stretch your arms overhead, and twist your torso gently. These moves improve blood flow and relieve tension. Adopt a standing desk, if possible. Invest in a standing desk. Alternate between sitting and standing every hour. It's a game changer. Walk during calls. Next time you're on a call, take a stroll. It's an easy way to add movement without disrupting your work. The power of desk exercises. Squeeze in mini workouts right at your desk. Try leg lifts, seated marches, or even discrete glute squeezes. Think of it this way. Every small movement you make is a gift to your future self. A gift of better health, more energy, and a longer, happier life. But what about those long, unavoidable workdays? Don't worry, I've got a powerful hack for you. Tip. Schedule active breaks. Take a 5 to 10-minute walk outside during lunch or after work. Not only does it get your body moving, but it also refreshes your mind, boosting focus and creativity. And don't underestimate the power of good posture. Sit with your back straight, feet flat on the floor, and your screen at eye level. Think of it as respecting your body while you work hard. I understand that making these changes can feel daunting, but trust me, even small steps can make a significant difference. Here's something fascinating. The way you think affects your body's health. Chronic stress and poor mental health can amplify the negative effects of sitting. That's why relaxation techniques like deep breathing, mindfulness, or even a quick meditation session are so powerful. Start with one new habit today. Whether it's a 5-minute walk during your lunch break or simply standing up every hour, choose something that feels achievable and sustainable. Remember, your health is an investment. It's the foundation for a happy, fulfilling life. So, let's prioritize movement, prioritize wellness, and reclaim our health, one step at a time. Picture yourself a year from now, energized, pain-free, and thriving, all because you took these small steps today. So, let's make a pact. No more sitting for hours on end without movement. Share this video with your coworkers, friends, and family. Let's spread the word and build a healthier world together. Remember, your health is your wealth, and you have the power to protect it. Subscribe to Mima Health for more trusted health tips and insights.